Welcome to this guided sleep meditation. Tonight, we'll align your mind and body with the vibrations of health, wealth, and deep relaxation. Allow yourself to settle into a comfortable position, release the day, and let your journey toward abundance and vitality begin. Take a deep breath in and gently exhale. Again, inhale deeply, filling your lungs with fresh, calming energy, and exhale, releasing any tension. One more time, breathe in deeply, and as you breathe out, feel your body sinking deeper into your bed, completely at ease. Now, as you continue to breathe softly, repeat these affirmations in your mind. Let them sink into every cell of your body. I am healthy, vibrant, and full of energy. Every cell in my body is thriving with vitality. Let them sink into every cell of your body. Is thriving with vitality. My body knows how to heal itself, and I trust its wisdom. I am grateful for my strong and resilient body. I release any stress, allowing my body to relax and rejuvenate completely. Feel the warmth of health spreading through your body, nurturing and strengthening you with every breath you take. Now, let's align your mind with the frequency of abundance. Repeat these affirmations and visualize them as your reality. I am open and ready to receive limitless wealth. Abundance flows into my life effortlessly and freely. I am worthy of financial success and stability. I attract opportunities that bring me prosperity and joy. I am grateful for the wealth that surrounds me and the wealth that is on its way to me now. Feel the energy of abundance flowing into your life, filling you with confidence and gratitude. As you let these affirmations settle into your subconscious, feel a deep sense of peace washing over you. Know that health, wealth, and prosperity are yours, now and always. Take one final deep breath in, and exhale completely. Let go of everything and drift into a deep, restful sleep. You are safe, supported, and aligned with the infinite power of the universe. Good night, and may your dreams be filled with health, wealth, and joy.